Assalamu alaikum children. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well. What you can see on your screen, we'll see now. See, this is CVC words of you. CVC words of you letter. So today also we are going to learn CVC words of you letter. Look at each picture and read the words. See here, you can see many pictures. We have to see the pictures and then we have to read the word what is the exact picture is. See here and see, all these words are with U vowel sound. All these words are with U vowel sound. So here in this color you can see UG. UG letter. With this UG letter we will add one more letter here, then it will become a new word. Let's do it. See here, what is this picture? This is bug. What is this? Bug. So we'll read the word B-U-G. See here, with this U-G word we are adding one more letter. It will become bug. B-U-G. Bug. Now see the next picture. This is jug. So with this U-G letter we are adding J here. So it will become jug. J-U-G. Jug. Now see the next picture. This is mug. With this UG letter we are adding one more letter here. M. M-U-G. Mug. See the next picture. This is bun. This is bun. So with this UN letter we are adding here B. B-U-N. Bun. See the next picture. This is run. The boy is running. So run. R-U-N. Run. You can see in all these words you can find letter U. U vowel. See the next picture. Sun. S-U-N. Sun. See the next one. C-U-P. Cup. C-U-P. Cup. S-U-P. Sup. P-U-P. Pup. N-U-T. Nut. H-U-T. Hut. C-U-T. Cut. So these all words are with U vowel sound. See, U vowel. All these CVC words are with U vowel. So we have an activity also with this U vowel. Let's do it. Again we have a coloring activity. Can you see on your screen? See here, let us read. First we will read U sound words. See here, what is this picture? This is cub. C-U-B, cub. C-U-B, cub. R-U-B, rub. T-U-B, tub. Now see the next one. Color the cub. So see here, in this cub you can see brown color. So here also we have to do a beautiful color in the cub. Are you ready for coloring, children? Let's do it. Do the brown color in the cub. Okay, children? Very neatly you have to do. I know you people love coloring. Do it slowly, slowly, slowly. Don't do any mistake. Just do it slowly, slowly, slowly. Okay? Like this you have to finish the coloring. After coloring, we have one more activity down. Draw a line to take the cub to the den. So here you can see cub. You have to find out where is the den. This is the den of cub. So we have to take the cub to the den. So we'll do it by drawing line. Let's do it like this. We have to take this cub to its den. Where is the den? You can go slowly, 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 slowly. Here. Finally, we did it. So, like this, you have to do these two activities at home. Hope you understand. Thank you all.